Welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your Oculus Quest headset where for some reason the games are just not showing up. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I'd recommend doing is actually rebooting your headset. And this is something the Oculus Quest team has suggested as well. And this is something that, with any issue you may have on your headset, by doing this is probably the thing that's going to fix it for you. So just simply go ahead, hold down that side button on your headset, or you can manually or, do it via software and reboot your specific headset. By doing that, you can pretty much rest assured that this will fix probably most issues you'll have as long as they're software related glitches. And once you go ahead and get rebooted back in, you want to go make your way back into the game section and you want to see if the games load up or if your games are there. If they're still not there, another thing the Oculus team actually suggests is to log out of your Oculus, account on your phone and then go back into it and log back in. This is another thing you can do to pretty much fix this. If you log out on your phone, you'll pretty much have to have a phone on your possession in order to actually log in. So go ahead and log back in and you want to see if that actually fixes it as well. Now another thing you want to do is make sure that your phone or your mobile device is also paired to your Oculus Quest headset, because if it isn't, then that's pretty much going to be the first issue that you may have. So you want to go ahead and go through and actually just, connect or repair your phone to your Quest headset, and you want to see if that fixes it as well. Again, it's not quite a guarantee, but it is another thing you can do to pretty much fix it. If that still doesn't fix it, you may want to see if there's an update available for your headset. So make your way over to your settings, or you can make your way over to the mobile app, and you want to go ahead and update your headset. Again, this is probably one of the main things you can do to pretty much fix this. And in my experience, this is a thing that anytime I have any issues with any device for the most part, updating it can pretty much fix it for me. So that's kind of pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.